as I'm telling you from the first video lesson of integration, that integration, antiderivative, indefinite integration, finite integration, whatever you say, this is just opposite process of differentiation. Integration and differentiation, just opposite process. So here I'm gonna show you some formula that is made on the result of the differentiation, which we are going to use in the process of integration. That's completely matching. You know, if you know the derivative, you can find out integration right at that point just by looking it. All right, the first one just we learned in the previous one, that derivative of x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1, you know, with respect to x is simply x to the power n. Alright, you can check up yourself. So that is why, based on that, the formula is now formed, that integration of x to the power n with respect to dx. Now actually nothing happens, you know, just it is being shifted there. The dx is going to multiply there. So now it will be now simply x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant. Alright, this is the first formula I'm going to use. So from here, what you can conclude, that derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Alright, so 1 can be written as x to the power 0 as well. So from here, what I can say, that x to the power 0 dx, which is finally saying 1 times dx, or I can say, which means simply integration of dx is x plus c. Keep that in mind. If there is nothing, then nothing in the sense there is 1, then that time integration will be x, alright, and plus some constant. I hope you understand this. And the second one is, let's go for some trigonometric. Alright, derivative of sine x with respect to x, I mean x is your angle, derivative of sine angle with respect to that angle is cosine of x. So as I told you, integration is just opposite, then the integration of cosine of x with respect to x will be definitely sine x plus constant. Alright, we put constant always, I already mentioned that. And similarly, let's go for the third one, that derivative of cosine of x, right, with respect to x is minus of sine of x. So that is why integration of sine of x will be minus cosine of x plus some constant. Either you put minus here or there, that doesn't matter. If you initially put here minus, then it will be plus. All right, it's just opposite. I mean, it's the same thing, you will understand it. Now the fourth one, that derivative of tan x, you know, with respect to x is sec square x. So integration of sec square x will be tan x plus c. All right, similarly, fifth one, derivative of cot x with respect to x is minus cosec square x. So based on that fact, derivative of cosec square x dx will be minus cot x plus constant. Alright, now the sixth one is derivative of cosec x with respect to x is minus cot x cosec x. Alright, so integration of cosec x cot x dx will be minus cosec x, it's x, alright, plus some constant. I'm sorry, it's x plus some constant. So please remember this formula. These are very, very important. This is gonna help you a lot. And in the next video we'll be covering some more formula. Alright.